All right, so now we're going to talk about cold showers. I know a lot of you may be thinking, no way, I'm never ever taking a cold shower. Well, let me tell you about a few of the benefits of taking a cold shower. The first benefit that I want to talk about is mental clarity. So when you start to take cold showers, what's going to happen is your brain is actually going to think so crystal clear. You're going to really forget about all of the problems that you have, and all you can think about is in that moment, you know, trying to survive that moment of cold shower. But actually, you know, to tell you the truth, you get used to it and it's actually quite fine. With the mental clarity aspect of it, I've never felt more clear after taking a cold shower. And this also brings into the next benefit, which would be it acts as a natural antidepressant. So when you are stressed out, your cortisol levels are to the max, right? Well, a great way to reduce those cortisol levels is to hop into a cold shower. Okay, so how do we do the cold shower regimen? Well, let me tell you. First, what you want to do, you want to start with lukewarm water, or room temperature water. Then you're going to hop in, get your body acclimated to that water. Then after 30 seconds, you're going to turn it down a little bit. Then after 30 seconds, you're going to turn it down more, and so on and so forth. 3-4 times down. After 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes, you should be roughly, I would say, 40, 45, 50 degrees. And this temperature is going to be, you're going to feel very cold, but it's safe level. It's not going to give you hypothermia, and you will be safe as long as you don't stay in there for more than 2 minutes. But don't worry about that. At first, all you need is 30 seconds. For the first week, you just go for 30 seconds. The second week, you're going to go for 2 minutes. So 2 minutes is the maximum threshold that's safe for your body, and that's all you should be doing. A lot of people, when they take cold showers, they will take cold showers 2, 3, 4 times a week. For me personally, I like to take a cold shower 5 to 6 times a week because it regulates my mood, and it really helps me right in the morning. You know, you're tired, you don't want to get out of bed, but once you get in the shower and you take that cold shower, it's a little bit of a shock, but it wakes you up and you're really ready for the day. Another benefit of taking a cold shower is it helps with your weight loss. As crazy as that may sound, it's true. So what happens when your body is subjected to very cold water is it actually boosts your metabolism and you burn more calories throughout the day. So it's a really great way to start your day. For example, mountain climbers, when they go up to these super high peaks, you were talking about Everest, Mount Kilimanjaro, etc. These guys, they burn so many calories because they're exposed to the cold weather. So it's the same principle with cold water as well. All right, the last benefit that I want to talk about with cold showers is that it improves your body's immunity and you're less likely to get sick. So this is, of course, is very beneficial to people that, you know, don't want to miss work, don't want to miss school. So taking cold showers, although it may sound crazy, I promise you, you will actually learn to love it and enjoy it. The first week is a bit rough, but stick with it and you will see the benefits. So I challenge you, take your first step, take your first cold shower, write in the discussion, tell me how you feel. See you in the next video.